Andrae Artwell big on bling, and clients eager to make a visual statement by buying into the jeweler's brand.
Last time that I checked, it was 5 chains on my neck. It was no smut on my rep last time that I checked.
You were living abroad at one point?
Yeah.
Where?
In DC.
Make a $250,000, no sweat last time that I checked.
So that's where I actually learned the trade in the actual wholesale business. So after that, I realized I developed a different type of skill, and from there and then I figured out, yes, I can do this myself. And the next big place to do this is in the Caribbean, where it's better than Jamaica.
So how you got into the jewelry business?
So we got into the jewelry business in 2016. We started actually doing body jewelry, and then we moved from body jewelry to designing custom pieces for different individuals. So we basically learned it from different Indians, Armenians, Russians. So it's like a variety of different persons I was working for at the moment, and they introduced me and they stepped me under the wing, and then from there it's history. So I learned it on my own, so I bring it to Jamaica.
Alright, so they ever see a diamond at target?
Are you different from everybody else in Jamaica right now?
Yes, I am.
Why?
Because I do a lot of custom pieces. So if you need something very unique, I'm the person you're going to see.
So your jewelry is made here, it's made abroad?
There's some jewelry that were made here in Jamaica, and there's some that we have to import. We make rings, we make pendants, we make bracelets.
And it's made to order?
Yeah, it's custom ordered, yeah.
Bling, bling. Every time I come around your city, bling, bling. Pinky ring, word about bitty, bling, bling.
That chain you have around your neck, is that one of your pieces?
Yes, it is. This one?
Yeah.
It's a diamond Miami Cuban.
So we're talking about real stones here.
In the market right now, you have lab diamonds, you have natural diamonds. With lab diamonds, there's a lot of people that's asking for that because of the prices, and the quality is actually really good. But there's still a lot of people that just want the natural stone. I generally work with natural diamonds. Any other diamonds that we work with, such as labs, is upon customer request.
How much would you charge for that?
This
Yes.
right here, 60,000 USD.
And you have sold pieces like that?
I have.
Mostly DJs?
And hard-working people. You have these people that, you know, if they work hard and they have the money and this is what they want, you can't tell them, no, this is what they're gonna buy.
Are you surprised sometimes at what people are able to afford?
In Jamaica, at a time in life, I was surprised. Now I've been here almost 2 years. You're starting to see that Jamaica is becoming a little bit more developed, and you know, people now I introduced this to the market, and there's people here that's liking it.
What's the most you've ever made from an item of jewelry?
A little bit over $500,000 US. A little over $500,000 US. I am the source to get you if you want a diamond watch. Natural diamond watch, I'm the guy you're going to come and see.
But if DJs and entertainers didn't buy from you, that would be a big problem for you because they're the big spenders.
The DJs that buy from me actually just put the word out there. Yeah, everybody right now wants to Bling, so I just, what it is, where it is right now. I am here to fill that void because that's what's going on right now.
That Jamaica pendant on that chain.
It's my favorite pendant. This is 14 karat gold with natural diamonds. If you come closer, you see that there's a heart in it also. As I said earlier, it's a bling bling time. Everybody just wants to look good. Everybody wants to wear the best ice. Everybody just, and jewelry is a good accessory to whoever you choose to wear.